everyone. Welcome back to another Google Search Console tutorial. In this video, I'll show you how to fix sitemap errors in Google Search Console. If your sitemap has errors, Google may not be able to discover and index your pages correctly. Let's go through the steps to solve the problem. First, sign in to your Google Search Console account and select your website. In the left-hand menu, click on Indexing and then select Sitemaps. Here you'll see the status of your submitted sitemap. If Google detects an error, you'll find details about the issue on this page. The first thing to check is your sitemap URL. Make sure you're submitting the correct XML sitemap, such as sitemap.xml, and verify that it opens successfully in your web browser. If the page shows an error or doesn't load, you'll need to fix the sitemap on your website before submitting it again. Next, ensure that your sitemap uses the correct XML format. Invalid XML syntax, missing tags, or formatting mistakes can prevent Google from reading the file. If you're using WordPress, plugins like Yoast SEO, Rank Math, or All-in-One SEO usually generate a valid sitemap automatically. Also, make sure your sitemap only includes URLs that return a 200 OK status. Remove any broken pages, redirected URLs, 404 pages, or pages blocked by robots, TXT, or a noindex tag. Google recommends including only pages that you actually want indexed. If you've recently updated your website, regenerate your sitemap and upload the latest version. Then return to Google Search Console, remove the old sitemap if necessary, and submit the updated sitemap again. After submitting, wait for Google to process the sitemap. It may take a few hours or a few days before the status changes. Check back regularly to confirm that the sitemap has been successfully processed and that no new errors appear. Keeping your sitemap clean and updated helps Google crawl your website more efficiently, discover new content faster, and improve your overall SEO performance. That's how you fix sitemap errors in Google Search Console. If you found this tutorial helpful, please like this video, subscribe to the channel, and turn on notifications for more Google Search Console